So the wishing tree project came about. We approached Gorham Savings Bank to sponsor a community art project that would bring us all together and get a little of the gloom of 2020 out of the way and start looking forward to 2021. And when we approached them, they had done a similar project last year. So they were like, absolutely, we did it last year, it worked well, let's work with the community and do it again this year. So we added the star making component so people could go online and learn how to make 3D stars. And we led them online, we led a live class here in the pavilion. And we had 200 kits made up of materials the Gorham Savings Bank, Adam Frawley and his team put together, and all of them are gone.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la.
So everyone loved the kits and making the stars, and then today we came together to put them on the tree.
When Catherine approached us, we were excited to take part in this project and put some kits together for the locals who wanted to do crafts and the kids who wanted to put out some Christmas wishes. Just to work on something together. As Catherine said, bring people together in a time where we can't be.